I have a review of the Viotek GN24C, the curved 24-inch gaming monitor. It features a 144 refresh rate, which is great. You're getting a regular 1920 by 1080p resolution, and they are curved. I bought these monitors off of Newegg for $219.99, and for what you're getting, it sounds pretty dang cheap for what you're getting out of these two. So I looked online on YouTube to see any reviews of this monitor before I could buy it, and I found not even one. So I figured I'd get them and check them out for you so you guys can know what Viotek can do. So let's get into the unboxing. And I wasted my money on a second DisplayPort. Gosh dang it, it came with them. It didn't say it came with DisplayPorts on Newegg, so that's just a heads up. But they do. Look at these monitors, folks. I must say, I'm very happy with Viotek and what they've accomplished here for such a budget price, Two 1080p monitors for $200 each, They're both 144 hertz. As you probably can't tell in the video, but it is definitely smooth. I've had these set up for about a month now, since the unboxing of this video. I figured I'd wait some time before I actually, do a full review of these monitors, and let me say, I love them. I think they're great. Couple of things though. When I first got them and turned them on and everything, I wasn't very impressed with the brightness of the monitors themselves. Like the whites didn't pop out as much as I would have liked to, and the darks weren't dark enough, but I can't complain that much for them only being $200 monitors. But one thing that they did not advertise, my apologies, is this paint right here of the menu, just basically the menu buttons. That's not advertised being there, which isn't a big deal, but that's just a heads up. I was kind of looking forward to just having that simple look, but that is there. There is a blue LED that just stays static blue when they're on, which is fine. I think it looks kind of cool with the speakers. But when your computer is asleep, they do blink and flash. So if you are sensitive to flashing, or if that will bug you, just letting you know that is there. It doesn't bother me too much. It did at first, but I kind of got used to it when I was sleeping. What else? These monitors do advertise a bezel-less display. As you can see though, they are not bezel-less. You can tell. There's my mouse. I mean, it's close, but it's definitely not bezel-less, just letting you guys know. But yep, they are definitely 1080p, 144 hertz. Color accuracy isn't on point either, but I can't complain. Again, these are great for the price.